Привет, меня зовут Joanna, and I'm a student at Enjoy Russian.
That's where it ends.
Shh. Привет, меня зовут Joanna, and I'm a student at Enjoy Russian, and today is my last day, and basically I'm here to say that I've had a pretty amazing time for the last 3 months. Got to know some really great people, such as the volunteers, including Anna, Maria, Lilith. I think Lily would agree with me that they've just been absolutely amazing and have made our time here so much fun. Some people might disagree, but I think my Russian's improved. And I can have a conversation with my host family about, we've talked about Ukraine, we've talked about skiing, we've talked about dogs, we've talked about everything. So we had lessons every day from 10 till 1:30. Sometimes that would change, but every day. It's a lot like a very informal school. You got on well with everyone. The teachers are amazing. I think so anyway.
Great, yeah.
Any questions you have, they'll explain it to you. If you look at them blankly enough, they'll explain it to you in English. So it felt really quite homely in a way. So it didn't. We've had exams, which is a bit nerve-wracking, but other than that, it's been really good fun. And yeah, I've just enjoyed just coming here every day. I actually look forward to it. Maybe not walking on the ice, but I've enjoyed coming here, and I kind of want to come back. I'm not sure when, but I do want to come back.